Hello there. We're going to be going on a little trip on the school's elevator today, and I'm going to be taking my weight. And I have right down here a scale that measures in pounds. And once we get down to the elevator, I'm going to weigh myself on the scale. So, why don't we head down to the elevator right now? Alright, well, here we are at the elevator in the basement of Massapequa High School. Here's the elevator. In case of fire, do not use, by the way. That's important. And down here is the scale. And I'm now going to measure my weight, take my weight on the scale. So let me get over here and step on the scale. And you will see my weight, without cheating, is about 176 pounds. I guess you can see that. 176 pounds, and I'm moving. 176. Mr. Hahn, you shouldn't have had that Twinkie this morning. Okay, I'm going to get off the scale. Well, here we are inside the elevator, and I'm going to step on the scale again, and you will see my weight, and then I'm going to push the button to go up to the third floor, all the way up to the third floor. So let me get on the scale. And once again, you see it is the same exact weight. I'm going to reach over here and push the button for the third floor. And it was hard to see because we're going up, we're going up, we're going up. The weight is about the same, but as soon as I reach the third floor, we should lose a little bit of weight. There we go. I just went down and now back up again. Okay, we're going to do... Very good. We're going to do it again. You can keep filming. We're going to do it again, but now we're going to go back to the basement. So I'll push the basement button. I'll do that, and here we go. Watch the scale. Oh, right away. The scale has changed. Now we're going down, we're going down, we're going down. We will get to the very basement, and the needle will swing as soon as I hit bottom. And which way is it going to swing? Will I gain weight or lose weight? And the answer is, I gain a little bit of weight just as I come to a stop, because my body gets pushed against the floor. I'm going to do it again. This time, just look straight at the scale. Don't look at the button. So, I'm going to hit the third floor. You'll have to trust me in doing that. My weight is 176, just about. I hit the up button. As soon as I hit the up button, my weight changes. And I'm going up and going up and going up and going up. We'll reach the third floor. And once we reach the third floor, my weight goes down. Just briefly. Every time my weight changes, it means I'm accelerating. It means that I have a net force. So one more time, we're going down to the basement. And here we go. Last time down. 176 pounds. The elevator starts moving. Briefly, I lose my weight. Now I'm back, I'm going at a constant speed. It's as if I'm not moving at all. Constant speed, 176 pounds. As soon as we get to the bottom, however, I'm going to be pushing against the ground. My weight's going to go up and I'm gaining a few pounds right as soon as I hit the bottom. And will I hit the bottom? Yes, I will. There we go. A little bit of weight increase. And now I'm on the basement and we're stopped moving. Back to normal speed. Back to normal weight, rather. And that was it. Very nice scale. I got this at a garage sale. Probably didn't guess that. But what you saw today was, when I stand on the ground, not moving, it showed 176 pounds. As soon as I got in the elevator, every time there was acceleration going on my body, it caused my weight to seem to change. And the acceleration came from a net force produced by the elevator. So when I went up, the elevator pushed me up and pushed me harder into the scale, so I got briefly a higher weight. And then once the elevator started moving at a constant speed, my weight went back down to zero as if I wasn't moving at all. Albert Einstein would have said that was relativity, meaning everything is relative. And anyway, that's the situation today with Mr. Hahn on the scale. So long for now. See you next time.